Um, in this particular demo, I'm demonstrating how a very simple agent can be created within probably a couple of hours from scratch without using any external library. So what we have done here is try to create a mail agent to basically, let's say if you want to classify certain emails into one particular bucket and then just group them and put them in that particular label slash bucket, then you should be able to do that, right? So we have what we have done is we have integrated Gmail API client, uh, and along with that, we have our LLM which knows how to execute the functionalities of that client. So basically, this LLM prompt is very naive, as you can see here. What it does is it can read emails by time period. It can apply label to emails, and it can also identify whether that particular email belongs to the user provided intent or not, right? Yeah, so without further ado, I think let me just execute this user query and analyze them for, let's say, e-commerce shopping intent. Right. Okay. Yeah, it is reading. Oh, looks like the model is overloaded. Um, yeah, here we are using uh, Gemini Flash 2.0 as our backend LLM. Okay, this is what we obtain, and yeah, so we see that from past 3 days I've gotten probably 8 emails uh, for e-commerce shopping as intent, right? Yeah. Like just like that, we can do a bunch of other things, but I think this is it for something that was built in just couple of hours. Thank you.